This is how to use Grammarly in Overleaf. First, we need to download an extension of Grammarly. So just search Grammarly extension. And if you are using Firefox, just type Firefox. And if you are using Chrome, just type Chrome. So I am using Firefox browser. So I will just type Firefox. Then we will click this add-ons from Mozilla. Then we will add to Firefox. Click continue installation. Then click add. Then we will activate Grammarly. Sign up with a free account. Okay, we will use our Google account. Okay, I'll just click continue with Google. I'll choose my Google account. Okay, click continue. Okay, you can skip this one and we will go back to our Overleaf and we will select a project. Okay, for instance, this one. And you'll know that Grammarly is activated when you see this red lines right here. So Grammarly has been activated and you can use Grammarly on Overleaf. So this is how to use Grammarly in Overleaf.